Quarterbacks can now juke in the backfield in college football 26, and depending on how this works, it's either going to be OP, realistic and fun, or just straight up broken. Here's how it works. When you're holding RT, the right stick now triggers jukes, so your QB can hit cuts or make defenders miss before even crossing the line of scrimmage. But if you use the right stick without RT, it still activates playmaker controls, letting you direct your receivers up, down, left, right, or wherever the hell. It's a cool feature, but also one that could get real cheesy real fast. Imagine trying to sack the QB, and he's just in the backfield hitting spin moves like Quinshon Judkins pre-patched Lenora Sellers is about to be a problem. And hell, for all we know, they might let Arch Manning sauce your whole defense back there too. Now picture 4th and 12th, and instead of throwing the ball away, the QB jukes 3 guys and resets the play like it's nothing. It definitely adds more depth for mobile quarterbacks, but it's also one of those features that could break the game if it's not balanced, right? We've seen features like this go sideways before, so hopefully it's tuned for gameplay and not just chaos. Let me know. Are you excited to use it, or already annoyed thinking about how players are going to abuse it?